Hello friends, this is the tutorial of Restaurant Order Booking Project. In this tutorial, we will learn how this project works. I have already made a video on how you can download and set up this project. Let's try to book a table. Enter the detail in the table booking form. After entering the detail, click on Book Table button. Here our table booked successfully. Let's check the booking detail in the admin panel. Log in through the admin page. You will find all the table booking details in the Orders section. Let's try to fill the contact form. After filling the contact detail and message, click on Submit button. Here our message sent to the admin successfully. Let's check the message in the admin panel. Here you got the customer messages in the contact section.